In section 2.1, titled Simple Random Sampling. Objective number 1, we want to identify the individuals, variables, and observations of a study. The definition. Individuals are the people or objects we want to learn about. Another definition. In statistics, variables is a characteristic of the individuals to be measured or observed. The data that we observe for a variable are called observations. In this first example, in the table below shows the age, favorite movie, and favorite TV show of 5 randomly selected students. So the first column is the name. We have Tamara, Lisette, Jeffrey, Jenny, and Jose. Then we have the age column, 28, 40, 55, 19, 18. Favorite movie, Selma, Frida, Groundhog Day, Crip Camp, Avengers. Favorite TV show, Big Bang Theory, Walking Dead, The Office, South Park, and Impractical Jokers. So in part A, what we want to do is we want to be able to identify the individuals. Well, the individuals in this table are the names. So we have Tamara, Lisette, Jeffrey, Jenny, and Jose. In part B, we want to be able to identify the variables. Well, the variables are the titles of the columns. In this case, it's the age, favorite movie, favorite TV show. Part C, identify the observations for each variable. So the first variable, age, we have the numbers associated with each particular individual. So we have 28, 40, 55, 19, and 18. The next variable we have movie. So the next movie is Selma, Frida, Groundhog Day, Crip Camp, and Avengers. And TV show, we have Big Bang Theory, Walking Dead, The Office, South Park, and Impractical Jokers. Statistics is the practice of the following 5 steps. 1. You first raise a precise question about one or more variables. The key word is precise. As Lewis Carroll once said, if you don't know where you are going, any road will get you there. Number 2, you want to create a plan to answer the question. We must carefully design a plan so that our results are meaningful. Number 3, we want to collect the data. After observing individuals, measuring individuals, or asking people questions, we usually enter the data in software and fix any errors that we can catch. Number 4, we analyze the data. Constructing tables and graphs can help us look for patterns. There are many procedures that involve calculations that can deepen our understanding of the variables. Number 5, we draw a conclusion about the question. Researchers often publish their findings. Learning something about one or more variables often raises new questions that can lead to more studies. So because step 5 often raises new questions that can lead us to more studies, the 5 steps are often part of a cycle, as you can see in figure 1. So here we have our start, input, and out. So we have our question, then we have our plan, then we take our data. Once we get our data, we analyze it, and then find a conclusion to possibly generate another question. So this is the 5-step cycle of statistics.